Evergreen is known to be one of the nicer communities in Calgary, plentiful with schools, parks, playgrounds, and great access all around the city. The kitchen is a wow factor. You have updated cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops, and a gorgeous dining area framed in by windows and a really nice light fixture. The living room feels spacious and yet cozy. Again, with that great view out onto your backyard, these beautiful tall windows, it's a lovely space. The backyard is quiet and relaxing. This deck is so perfect for visiting and hanging out, and you have extra tall rails which kind of provide a little bit more privacy and coziness. There are stairs straight down into the yard for the kids, for the dogs, and these beautiful trees give kind of a nice natural screen from your other neighbors. Here we are in the bonus room of the house. What a beautifully done space. It's a great TV room or playroom and just so functional, especially when you have a family, to have this extra living room. 3 additional bedrooms complete the upstairs level with 2 full washrooms, and they are gorgeous. Can you say show home? Walking into this master bedroom retreat, you feel like you're in one. This lower level is everything that you could want in a basement. It's bright, it's open, it's a great recreational space, whether that's for an exercise area, a TV area, a kid's playroom. There's so much you can do with this. There's a beautiful full bedroom and full bathroom down on this level, and lots of additional storage through your utility room. You're super close to a Costco, to Stony Trail, which loops all the way around, giving you access to the entire city. And being on the west side, you're right out to the mountains, the beautiful foothills that we have here in Alberta. With this home being 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, beautifully finished and updated, it is a fantastic family property. For more information, please check out the link in the description below. We also have links to our other social medias where we're always coming out with market information and new listings. So until next time, keep it real.